All the snow on the ground's real pretty and all, and we've been seeing plenty of deer, but I'm ready to shoot something.
It's like the powder just didn't burn like it was supposed to.
I think something was still burning when it came out of the barrel.
You did load the gun correctly. I mean, like powder and a bullet? Or did you put a bullet behind the powder? I mean, did you even put powder in the gun? You have muzzleloader hunted before, right?
I sure am glad we figured that out on it, Joe.
The only thing I can think is going in and out of the lodge from the cold to the warm for 3 days, my powder must have got a little wet, because that didn't work very well.